Hi everybody, today is December 16th? December 16th, 2017. And we're gonna go get pizza because we're gonna go hang out with the fam. And I'm gonna start vlogging because I just want to keep these memories of like my family and all of us hanging out together. So let's see how this goes. We're gonna go to my grandma's house to put up her Christmas tree and just like hang out, but and clean because we have Christmas at her house every year. But let's see how it just goes because everybody has plans and yeah. So So we got the pizzas and now we're on our way home. The pizzas are safely back there, as you can see, and there's some sweats because we're gonna go put up the Christmas tree, so we have to be comfortable, but when you're out in public, you don't want to look trashy. You don't want to look trashy. So,
not that sweats are trashy.
I just said like, it's a Saturday and people judge. Like during the week, I think it's fine if you're in sweat. You know what, I don't care how people look, but it's just like, I care what people think of me, which is bad, I know, but I'm just trying to find a boyfriend. Anyways, yeah, we're on our way back, and I just want to eat one slice right now, but the process of me getting that slice behind me is too hard. Too hard. I sounded weird. Whatever. Pizza, yeah.
I'm looking at you and not impressed.
What do you gotta say?
Ooh, I'm gonna eat that pizza like I eat pussy.
Ew.
Oh, you're taking them off now?
Yeah. Alright, I need to move these.
That was awkward. To move this.
Oh, you're recording.
Over here. Over here. And the TV is gonna go on top of that, but there's a lot of complications. And then we still need to put up the Christmas tree, which is not even in here. Look at this mess. My grandma's a hoarder. Somebody help.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a horse. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Jingle sleigh bells, jingling, jingling, playing.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
You hear air just flowing out of your butt. They're not here. Dude, every time I go,
You just hoarded it. You didn't want nobody to see it.
Amiga, una película para mí.
The water, no matter how hard I tried. Disney's gonna copyright me. I know! I suck at recording!